Do you need a quick and easy breakfast that you can prepare ahead of time for your busy mornings? How about a healthy alternative to the average cereal that is high in protein to give you the energy you so desperately need to keep up with your demanding schedule? Sound good? Check out this recipe for our delicious, nutrient-packed keto-friendly cereal. We know your time is valuable, so let's get started. Keto Recipes by Healthy Helpings presents Toasted Granola Cereal. Preparation time is around 10 minutes. You should allow 20 minutes for cooking. You should plan to spend about 35 minutes in total. This recipe makes 6 servings. For nutrition facts, please see the video description. Here's what you'll need to make toasted granola cereal. Cooking spray. 1 cup chopped almonds. Almonds protect against oxidative stress, are one of the best sources of vitamin E, which is linked with lower rates of heart disease, cancer, and Alzheimer's, can assist in blood sugar control, benefit blood pressure control, can lower cholesterol, reduce hunger, which lower calorie intake, and may be effective for weight loss. 1 cup chopped walnuts. Walnuts prevent atherosclerosis, lower the risk of succumbing to heart disease by 10%, may decrease inflammation, promotes gut health, may reduce the risk of some cancers, support weight management, may lower the risk of type 2 diabetes and help with managing it, may lower blood pressure, assist healthy aging, supports healthy brain function, bolsters male reproductive health, and decrease cholesterol levels. 1 cup unsweetened coconut flakes. Coconut may help reduce excess body fat, may encourage heart health, may promote blood sugar control, may protect cells from damage, and reduce the risk of disease. Coconut milk stimulates lactation in females. 1/4 cup sesame seeds. Sesame seeds are a good source of fiber which supports digestive health, may reduce the risk of heart disease, certain cancers, obesity, and type 2 diabetes, may lower cholesterol and triglycerides, are a good source of protein, may help lower blood pressure, may support bone health, may reduce inflammation, contribute to healthy cell function and metabolism, may help the body absorb nutrients that help form blood cells, may help with blood sugar management, help fight oxidative stress which protects against heart disease, may help support immune system health, and may soothe arthritis pain in the knees, may support the health of the thyroid, and may assist hormone imbalance in menopause. 2 tablespoons flax seeds. Flax seeds prevent cholesterol deposits in the vessels of the heart, reduce inflammation in arteries, and reduce tumor growth, lower risk of heart attack, lower risk of stroke, may reduce cancer risk, support regular digestive health, may improve cholesterol levels, may lower blood pressure, help improve immune function, have antifungal properties, may help control blood sugar, and keep hunger at bay. 2 tablespoons chia seeds. Chia seeds have many nutrients with few calories, fight the productions of free radicals, are carb-friendly, lowers appetite, may aid weight loss by keeping you feeling full for longer, may lower the risk of heart disease, are an excellent source of calcium, a great alternative for those who don't eat dairy products, may reduce blood sugar levels, and may help minimize chronic inflammation. 1/2 teaspoon ground clove. Cloves can reduce oxidative stress, may help protect from cancer, can kill bacteria, may improve the health of the liver, may help in blood sugar regulation, may encourage bone health, and may reduce the occurrence of ulcers in the stomach. 1½ teaspoons ground cinnamon. Cinnamon may lower the risk of disease in general, may lower the risk of heart disease, can lower blood sugar levels, reduce fasting blood sugar levels, may be effective in improving Parkinson's and Alzheimer's, may protect against cancer, may reduce infection, fights bad breath and tooth decay, and may help fight HIV. 1 teaspoon pure vanilla extract. Vanilla extract can be used to treat intestinal gas and fever, can be used as an aphrodisiac, and some people add it as a sweetener to prevent tooth decay. 1 large egg white. Egg whites are high in protein yet low in calories, helps build and maintain muscles, are good for weight loss goal success, and are a good choice for those on a low cholesterol diet. 1/4 cup melted coconut oil. Coconut oil can encourage the body to burn fat, provides quick energy to the brain and body, may help reduce the risk of heart disease, may boost heart health, may have antimicrobial properties, may encourage the body to stay full longer, may reduce seizures, and may encourage the health of the skin, eyes, and teeth. Half a teaspoon kosher salt. Always begin by washing your hands before handling ingredients, containers, and tools. First, preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Now coat a baking sheet with cooking spray. In a large mixing bowl, combine almonds, walnuts, coconut flakes, sesame seeds, flax seeds, and chia seeds. Add cloves, cinnamon, vanilla, and salt. Stir well to combine. In a separate bowl, beat the egg white until foamy, then add to the granola mixture. Add melted coconut oil and stir to coat all ingredients. Now pour your granola mixture onto the prepared baking sheet and spread in an even layer. Bake for 10 minutes, then gently stir and return to an even layer. Bake for another 10 to 15 minutes. Let everything cool completely once it is done baking. Breakfast is served. Here's a tip: double or triple recipe for a week's worth of breakfast for you and your family. This recipe also tastes great on top of our keto ice cream. Like, comment, and subscribe for more content and related videos. Enjoy! Thanks for watching.